you see all that power? I've never felt so alive! Alright. Tonight, we're gonna draw Gax. Yeah. Just Gax. So for a reminder, Gax is the 11th alien of the Omnitrix. The new rebooted Omnitrix. I literally don't know when Ben will become Gax again. But it's up to the creators to decide. Ben is an awesome Vilgax. Alright. When drawing Vilgax, when you're drawing Gax, you must start with the head, then the tubes, another thing about Gax, when Ben transformed into him, he managed to gain some really cataclysmic power. He literally destroyed Mount Megalodon. In no regards, in no relation to the favorite shark that we all know and love, Megalodon. There's his tentacles. Be sure to draw a lot of them. Just for a reminder, Gax was only seen in one special, and in the Ben 10 versus the Universe movie. That reminds me. I really want to see when Ben will encounter new enemies. I have heard rumors that there will be that Albedo will be in the reboot, but not for sure. I also want to see the Hybrid in the reboot as well. I mean, we have seen Albedo on several occasions. We've seen his new form. We've seen him change his appearance from time to time. But enough talk about Albedo. I'm just glad that Vilgax is in prison. I hope that Ben will be able to transform into the other aliens again, besides Gax, like turning into Upgrade, Stinkfly, Overblow, Wildvine, all those guys. Every part of the Omnitrix is like part of the family. I'm still asking if Ben will turn into Alien X. That I've got to see. There's a second claw. I feel like I should have made this thing bigger. Nah. There. That's how you draw Gax. Anyways, I'm glad you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later!